Welcome to our channel where we explore the iconic Toyota Hilux Surf. In this video, we take a closer look at the features and capabilities of this rugged and reliable off-road vehicle. From its powerful engine to its spacious interior, the Hilux Surf is the perfect companion for any adventure. Join us as we hit the trails and put the Hilux Surf to the test in a variety of challenging terrain. Whether you're a seasoned off-road enthusiast or just looking for a dependable daily driver, the Toyota Hilux Surf has something to offer for everyone. From its rugged design to its smooth driving experience, we delve into what makes this vehicle a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Join us as we break down why the Toyota Hilux Surf is a smart investment for anyone in need of a versatile and dependable vehicle. This versatile, compact SUV has been a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts for years. With its rugged design and dependable performance, the Hilux Surf is ready to tackle any adventure you throw its way. The Toyota Hilux Surf is known for its reliability and performance, and a big part of that is its engine. The Hilux Surf is equipped with a powerful and efficient engine that delivers impressive performance on and off the road. This engine is designed to provide the perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both city driving and outdoor adventures. Introducing the Toyota Hilux Surf, a reliable and versatile SUV that can take you on any adventure you desire. With its powerful engine and sturdy build, the Toyota Hilux Surf is designed to tackle the toughest of roads with ease. But don't be fooled by its tough exterior. The Toyota Hilux Surf also offers a comfortable and spacious interior for you and your passengers to enjoy. With advanced technology and precision engineering, this engine delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. Whether you're hitting the trails or simply cruising around town, this vehicle offers comfort, style, and durability. The spacious interior provides ample room for passengers and cargo, making it perfect for road trips or daily commutes. And with its powerful engine and advanced technology, you can trust that the Hilux Surf will deliver a smooth and efficient ride every time. So whether you're a seasoned off-roader or just looking for a reliable daily driver, the Toyota Hilux Surf is sure to impress. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the Toyota Hilux Surf. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more automotive adventures.